Right, listen up, everyone. This is probably the most crucial video you're ever going to watch if you wish to be successful in the crypto space. I'm going to highlight 5 altcoins that I think have tremendous value, massively undervalued right now, and have huge potential to lead this crypto market and become blue chip altcoins in the future. We're talking about real world utility like you've never understood before. And I'm going to break down these projects. I'm going to talk you through my reasoning, my thoughts, my opinions. But more importantly, let's have it really interactive. You let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? And all that wonderful stuff. This is going to be such an important video for you to understand where these projects fit in the future world. And I'm going to let you into my mindset, my way of thinking, and why I literally find loads of needle in the haystack hidden gems in this crypto space and have huge success in crypto investing. So if you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Jump into the free Discord, link in the description down below, have more meaningful conversations with us, our team, and the community. But look, let's get to these 5 immense hidden gem altcoins that people don't see the value in just yet, but they are going to have their eyes opened wide when they see the immense gains that these projects, I think, are going to make in the future. Let's go. So we're going to start here, and we're going to start with World Mobile. Now, look, I look at what they did to the market or the taxi market, depending on where you are in the world and the terminology you like to use. And look, I'm looking for disruptive projects in this market that are going to change the world as we know it today. And I think World Mobile is one of those projects. It's a telecoms project, right? It's a decentralized mobile network. World Mobile is a unique project that aims to revolutionize the mobile network industry by building a decentralized, community-owned network, if I can get my words out. Instead of relying on traditional telecom giants, World Mobile empowers individuals to participate in building and owning the network infrastructure. And I think this is really, really important. Key features of World Mobile: decentralized network. The network is built and operated by a community of nodes rather than centralized entities. Blockchain technology. World Mobile leverages blockchain in order to, ensure transparency, security, and fair distribution of rewards. And, they've got connectivity, right? Provides affordable and accessible mobile connectivity to unserved areas. There's a lot of people around the world that don't have access to the internet, and World Mobile are really leveling the playing field for these individuals. And we're not just talking about like Africa and really remote parts of the world. Even the US have unserved individuals. And look, this is a great way in order to bring mainstream adoption worldwide. You need to be connected to the internet, and you have to have communication channels. Like, there's people that don't have banking. This is going to be a real enabler for new emerging markets, and I think that it's massively undervalued right now. The token economy, World Mobile Token WMT, is used to incentivize network participants, governance, and utility within the ecosystem. So I'm not going to get into more on this, on how it works and all that sort of stuff. You definitely need to be looking at this project, in my opinion. It's up 18.20% in the past 24 hours at 0.1751. Nick and myself were early investors in this project at seed round. We find these projects super early, and there are some phenomenal opportunities in our investor group. So join the free Discord and ask how you can participate in getting into some of these early round investment opportunities that we enable our community to be able to participate in. I think that is really, really important. And look, let's move on, right? The next one is in the telecoms sector as well, right? And there's an opportunity for you to get in the public round for the sale of this project. Now, it's slightly different. World Mobile are more about like the the internet aspect of it, the connectivity. And Minutes Network are dealing with the minutes, the phone calls. So slightly different, but same telecom industry. Matter of fact, this project is run by the brother of the founder of World Mobile. So Mickey Watkins runs World Mobile and Josh Watkins runs Minute Network. So you definitely want to be paying attention to this. And again, there's some opportunities to participate in early rounds in our Discord. But look, let's sort of delve into what Minutes Network is. It's a groundbreaking project aiming to revolutionize the telecoms industry by leveraging blockchain technology. It focuses on providing a decentralized, cost-effective solution for voice call termination. And this is a project that, again, I look at it like Uber to the cab taxi market. It's going to change the game, and it cuts out a lot of middlemen. So key features: decentralized infrastructure. The network is built and operated on a decentralized basis, removing reliance on traditional telecom giants. The blockchain integration, if I can get my words out, utilizes blockchain technology to enhance transparency, security, and effective operations. Cost-effective call termination offers significantly lower costs for international voice call termination compared to traditional methods. And the token, the native token, MNT, if I can get my words out today, is used to incentivize network participation, governance, and rewards stakeholders. So look, again, really, really cool project. Again, I'm not going to get into how it works, but the telecoms industry is a very lucrative industry, and you definitely want to be looking at both of these projects. Now, I mentioned earlier that there is actually a public sale. You can go to the Minutes Network website and you can participate in that right now and get a really good price on the token before it actually goes live, like TGE and so on. So definitely look into this. You will regret it if you don't, in my humble opinion. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Treat this purely as entertainment purposes only. But this is purely my opinion. None of this is paid endorsed. This is my honest opinion on projects that I think are phenomenal. And I'm going to come on to the last one, and I'm going to open people's eyes because people are sleeping on an absolute king, the future dawn of the crypto space. Bitcoin is number one right now, but I'm going to tell you which will actually leapfrog all of these projects and will be the future king of the crypto space. Number one by market cap, second to none. Everything else is going to be so small in comparison. So stay tuned to the very end. Next one is 𝗕𝗪𝗪, again a commodities project, right? So this again is a really interesting project. Now, I'm not going to get into too much about this project. I'm not going to get into the granular detail of it, but look, real world tokenization of assets is going to be a monstrous sector, the biggest sector. Everything's going on chain. You're starting to hear BlackRock talk about this being $1 trillion market cap by like 2045, right? They're wrong. It's going to be a quadrillion dollar market. It's going to be huge. And if you can pick a winner and get a winner or get into some of these projects early in the tokenization of real world assets, you are going to make a shit ton of money, in my opinion. And that is where a project like 𝗕𝗪𝗪 comes in, really well backed. I think they've got a great team. And I think that it's going to go on to do really well. It's not a cryptocurrency itself. They're going to have a utility token. It's a platform that focuses on tokenization and trading commodities. It's a revolutionary approach to traditional commodity trading industry. And again, I think that this is one that people will sleep on. And yeah, look, tokenization of commodities like physical commodities, be it gold, digital tokens, phone minutes, for example, coffee, beans, teas, that sort of stuff. This is going to enable individuals in really poor rural parts of the world that can't get financed a platform where they can actually leverage it and do really, really well. And it's going to start up new. I guess trying to think of the right terminology. new emerging markets, again, out of regions that currently really do struggle. So again, I think that some of these investments do really good things in the real world, right? And they're talking about lithium batteries. Again, it's just monstrous, the stuff that these guys are working on. Great team, great project. You need to research these, right? I'm not messing about going into 2025. You're getting everything here. We told you to expect this crash you're seeing right now. The crash Q3 2024. I called this 18 months ago, and I've been telling everybody, whoever would listen, I've been telling you, crashing stocks, crashing crypto, Fed pivot, Q3 2024. We're telling you everything you need to know in this crypto space. Look, we're going to stay in the real world tokenization sector. We've got IOwn, a real world asset ownership on the blockchain. Again, doing very similar things to Palmera. This project has a lot of licenses all around the world. They are set up. They're ahead of many others when it comes from a regulatory standpoint. Great team, great project, looking to do great things, great opportunities in our free Discord to participate in early rounds and all that wonderful stuff. So you want to be checking this one out as well. Again, I'm not going to delve into it in too much detail. You can see it on the screen. Go research it, right? Don't sleep on this stuff. The final one, the one that I think will be number one by market cap, leapfrogging Ethereum, Cardano, what am I talking about? Leapfrogging Ethereum, leapfrogging Bitcoin will be the number one altcoin by market cap, second to none. Chainlink, the oracle of the blockchain world. They are the most integrated. They are, in the oracle sector, great technology, great team. And look, a lot of people don't understand the importance of Chainlink. DeFi runs on Chainlink. Like, I'm just going to put it out there. It runs on it. Like, you need it. So let me sort of break this down for people. Do listen, because you're probably, most people are probably going to skip ahead. But I really want to fucking enlighten you all to understand what on earth I'm talking about and why I am saying what I'm saying. Because people are going to think I'm fucking crazy, but I'm not. Let me explain why. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that serves a critical bridge between the blockchain world and the real world, right? So that is a really important line that you need to understand. It bridges blockchain with the real world on and off chain data. Now, why is that important, right? If you're going to go mainstream, you're talking about real world adoption. You're talking about a tokenization of real world assets on the blockchain, quadrillion-dollar market. That's going to all run on Chainlink. All of it, all of the money in blockchain will run on Chainlink, right? On the Oracle aspect of things, right? The on and the off chain data, right? Psychology tells you if the product works, and it's not broken, it's efficient, it works, it's integrated with everybody, it gives you everything you need. People don't move. Psychology, people don't move from Chainlink to Band Protocol or other Oracle providers if it isn't broken, if it's doing what it says on the tin, it's providing the service that is required. Nobody's moving away from that shit, right? So it's already got, first mover advantage. First mover advantage, great tech, great team, integrated with everybody, right? DeFi runs on it currently, right? Everything will run on Chainlink. And I really want to be quite clear on this, right? Even the spot ETFs need on and off-chain data. They're all going to run on Chainlink. JP Morgan are working with Chainlink. Everyone's going to be working with Chainlink. Chainlink will be number one by market cap come 2050. It's one to be buying the dip on, in my opinion. It's going to probably become my biggest investment in the crypto space. This video in the future will age just like that $1 buy Bitcoin at $1 video that 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 made. People will be playing this video saying, this guy was telling me to buy Chainlink at like $8 or $9. I've been telling you to buy it at like $4, but I'm telling you why now. I'm going into real detail, granular detail of why you should be buying it. Essentially, it provides real world data to smart contracts. Why is it important? The importance of Chainlink in the blockchain space cannot be overstated. Here's why. Oracle problem solution. Blockchains by their nature, are isolated systems. They cannot access external data or events. Chainlink solves this Oracle problem by providing a secure and reliable way for smart contracts to interact with the real world. It enables complex smart contracts. Without Oracle, smart contracts would be limited in their functionality. Chainlink allows for complex smart contracts that can be triggered by real-world events such as price changes, weather data, or sports results. Everything on the blockchain, everything's going to be on Chainlink. You talk about all the different sectors within crypto. You talk about traditional finance, all the banking, all the CBDCs. It's all going to run on Chainlink. All of the money. I don't know how more I can kind of explain to you. And, look, it's all about security. It's all about decentralization. It's all about Chainlink. So look, I really wanted to kind of put that out there, really in short, summarizing it for you. Go research these projects. I'm not pissing about with you. This is going to be probably the most important video that you've watched. It's me really breaking down my thoughts and opinions on what I see in the crypto space. There's a lot of people that are going to tell you to go focus on this real world asset project, go focus on this gaming project. You don't need to. Chainlink's the one. Chainlink's the one that everything's running on. Chainlink is the one. It will be top by market cap once everything comes on chain. I really do passionately believe that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Do you like these projects? What projects would you have had in this list if you were me making this video? Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.